Please subscribe, and click the notification bell to see the latest properties for sale in Jamaica. Take a look at this cozy 3-bedroom home. Located in the peaceful community of Retreat, in the Garden parish of St. Anne, this well-maintained property offers quaint and comfortable living. This property is just a few minutes' drive from the bustling town of Brownstown. Brownstown is widely regarded as the education capital of St. Anne, as it boasts several high schools, a community college, among others. Additionally, the town boasts a vast array of commercial offerings to suit most needs. This home has 3 generously sized bedrooms, a bathroom, as well as an additional shower and laundry area. The asking price for this lovely property is 27 million Jamaican dollars. Don't hesitate. Call the number that is being displayed throughout the video to make an appointment. Also, please remember to subscribe, click the notification bell, and share these properties with family and friends.